Good morning, students. We are welcome in online classes conducted by Rani Lakshmibai Postgraduate College, Nivai. As all students know, the first paper is poetry and drama, and the drama is Macbeth. Macbeth is written by William Shakespeare. Shakespeare was the greatest dramatist of world. Shakespeare didn't write anything about his conception of tragedy. The four great tragedies of Shakespeare and form an idea of conception of Shakespearean tragedy. Shakespeare's great tragedies are Hamlet, Macbeth, King Lear and Othello. First of all, we should know about tragedy. Tragedy deals with the dark side of life. Shakespeare's play about Scottish nobleman and his wife. Scottish nobleman was Macbeth, who murdered their king for his throne, charts the extremes of ambition and guilt. And in this drama, we also find three witches story. The fourth witch is Lady Macbeth. Macbeth is a drama and it can be broadly divided into three parts. When we start to write an answer, then we should first write introduction, second exposition. Exposition consists first to three scene. Second climax. Climax consists fifth scene, and catastrophe middle of the fifth scene. By this flowchart, we explain the story of the theme of the drama. The theme of the drama. First, we know about King Macbeth. Macbeth is a great warrior, later King of Scotland. And his wife Lady Macbeth. Lady Macbeth was a very ambitious lady, so she encouraged his husband to murder of Duncan. Duncan was the king of Scotland. Next we see Macduff. Macduff, the Thane of Scotland. Who was Macduff? Macduff was the Thane of Scotland, and his wife Lady Macbeth and his son. Next we see Banquo. Banquo was a great warrior and Macbeth's friend. Donalbain was Duncan's son. Duncan has two sons. First, Donalbain, Duncan's son, and second, Malcolm, Duncan's second son, the latter king of Scotland. By this flowchart, we can understand the theme of drama, the main characters of the drama. When Macbeth meets the three witches on the lonely heath, three witches plan and conspire to find ambition in the mind of General Macbeth. When he was returning from the battlefield in company of Banquo, जब वह Banquo के साथ battlefield से return कर रहा था एक victorious के रूप में, एक विजयी के रूप में, तब उसे three witches मिलती है and they meet with him with three titles. When they meet, then they have three titles: the Thane of Gleams, the Thane of Covardar, and the King of Scotland. And they also say about Banquo, he will be the father of kings. King Duncan was so happy by the extreme victory of Macbeth and Banquo, so he give a gift, or in another word, Macbeth was rewarded by the title of Thane of Cawdor. In the next story, Macbeth becomes ambitious. When Duncan give him a title, then Macbeth became ambitious, and he also think that the prophecy of witches is being true. The king welcomes Macbeth and declares to pass one night in Macbeth's castle. So Macbeth plan to murder the king of Scotland, Duncan. Lady Macbeth insists her husband to murder the king. Lady Macbeth was so ambitious and so cruel lady, so she said that, so she herself gets ready to murder of the king. King Duncan is murdered. By the cruelty of fate, Lady Macbeth greets her royal guest when the latter comes to her castle to pass a night. Then Duncan was murdered. Malcolm and Donalbain, the son of Duncan, flee away from their castle. Macbeth is declared. When Duncan died, Malcolm and Donalbain flee away. Then Macbeth is declared the king of Scotland. Malcolm and Donalbain are suspected to have murdered their father. So they flee away. Banquo is also murdered because when witches prophesied, then Banquo was with Macbeth. So Macbeth thinks that the all story is known by Banquo. So he also murdered Banquo. When Banquo murdered, King Macbeth became the king of Scotland. Then Lady Macbeth walks in sleep. Lady Macbeth lost all control over herself. Lady Macbeth control over herself. She utters something while walking in sleep. She rubs her hands as if she is washing them. She says that all the perfumes of Arabia will not remove the smell of blood from her hands. She was so frustrated, so depressed, so feel helpless. Then she says, perfumes of Arabia means here is a example of hyperbole. Here is a exaggeration. So all the perfumes of Arabia remove the smell of blood from her hands. Lady Macbeth is dead. Macbeth has shut himself in Dunsinan's castle, and Lady Macbeth died. When Lady Macbeth died, Macbeth shuts himself in Dunsinan's castle. Then he says that life is meaningless. He calls life is brief candle, a walking shadow, a poor player. Means he regards to life in different words. Next we find that the prophecies of witches become true. Birnamwood approaches Macbeth's castle. A messenger came there and say to Macbeth that Birnamwood is moving towards their castle. Now he is reminded the prophecy of the witches. Macbeth is killed. Macbeth was confident. Macbeth was not confident, overconfident. He says that no person can die him who born of woman. But Macduff tells him that he is not born of a woman. He is from his mother womb untimely arrived. At last, Macduff kills Macbeth. Now, in this manner, our drama is complete, short and sweet, and by this flowchart, we can memorize in our mind a complete drama. By these characters, we can write any question about drama. So, thank you.